Hello folks, welcome to Canal Channel Jose. Today we're going to give you an idea how to replace the air filter for your engine on a 2017 GMC Sierra. And this might help you if your system looks like this. This is going to give you an idea how you can do this easy replacement, so that way you can save a lot of money and use it towards other things. And with that said, let's jump right into it. To replace your air filter on your truck, right over in the passenger side where your engine is this box, and we have to remove this box to be able to get to the air filter. And to do that, we have to remove 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4 one right there. There's 4 8mm screws, and we're gonna have to disconnect our MAF sensor. We're gonna have to undo the clamp where it goes into this duct, so we can able to lift this, slide it over towards the passenger side, because we can't come up this way because this bar. So once it goes this way and it comes off from this place, then we can slide it to the driver's side and bring it out, so we are able to get this air filter out of here. That's why we have to do all that. Once we replace our air filter, then we put it all back together. So for this one, we're gonna have a transmission line coming in right over it, where the path of where you're gonna be taking out the screw. You can see we have a long extension with the 8mm socket right on the screw, and we're gonna show you that the transmission line is right over the path, as you can see. So we just have to get it on a little angle and start loosening it, because this transmission line is right over that little screw. You might experience that, so just make sure you get an extension, and you can get the socket just to get it over it, because it's kind of tight spot for that screw to come out. So when you're taking those screws off, I would unscrew it as much as you can, and then once you unscrew it, make sure that you leave the body of the screw in there, and then by hand you actually remove it, because if they fall off and they end up somewhere on the compartment of the engine where there's plastics, you're gonna lose them, and this is how they look like. So we just loosen them, leave it there, and then by hand we actually pull them out now. Gonna undo it from this part right here where it connects to this duct. And once we disconnect it from the duct, we're gonna pull it back a little bit towards the engine above, because this one is gonna give us enough room for this. And then we're gonna lift this shell so we can actually remove the filter. So now we get our new filter. Once we have removed the old filter, we put this one right there. Grab our shell, we put it over it, and we slide it in. We make sure that it goes into this, and then we tighten the clamp, put the bolts on or the screws, tighten them, and that should be the replacement or air filter on this truck. Just in case you can't do this and you need to disconnect the map sensor to get this shelf out of here, we're gonna show you how that's done. Right here on this connector, what we have is we pull this little red lock, we pull it up, you see it comes up, and then that prevents from a tab right in there from being pressed. So you press that and you pull your plug out. So that's how you undo this connector from here, in case you need to undo it, so you don't have enough room for the shelf to come out, or you're gonna remove it completely. Just be careful with the sensor, it's very sensitive if you don't touch anything inside. So now that we have done that and you are putting it back, or you are about to put it back, you put it and you assemble it. Now you put this over it, you slide it, make sure it clicks, and then you put your lock down, and that's now clicked in. So now that we have put the shell back on, we tighten in this clamp. We put the 4 screws. We just tighten it because they're plastic structure, so you don't want to rip the threads off of it. So we put that 8mm for this guy for the clamp and 8mm for the screws. And what I do is I start threading these guys in by hand. So then I put the tools on them. There it is. We replace the air filter for this truck and you save a lot of money on the labor. Well, folks, hopefully this video was useful and helpful on how to replace the air filter on a 2017 GMC Sierra. So if your system looks like this, it's going to guide you and give you an idea how to do this easy replacement. So that way you can save money like we said in the beginning. So with that said, folks, for friends who are watching a video, have you subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like a video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal, El Chano Jose.